Dito lang yung suot ko guys. Tapos mag-shoes lang ako.
Wala ka makikitang tao. Sunday kasi ngayon. Andito na kami guys. Hello! Ah, mama. Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday guys. At wala pa rin siyang work dahil. Ay, so happy. But today, hindi kami magbe-breakfast dahil. Kasi later on, magre-ready kami kasi nga nakaschedule yung aming brunch no sa sister niya. So, pupunta lahat doon. Pati yung mama niya, yung stepfather niya, and mga kids andun din. And yeah, yan talaga yung activity talaga niya. I mean, nila dito na nakasanayan na basta Sunday, family day talaga. In case lang na hindi yan mangyari is kung may lakad yung like ibang family or hindi talaga, hindi talaga magtapo ng family ba. And then, kompleto na ay hindi, si Papa lang ang Papa niya lang yung hindi ko pa mamimit. Dapat kahapon kasi, mamimit ko siya, but then, kahapon nag-hike kami dahil ang super ganda talaga ng lugar. And first day ko din na-experience yung snow kahapon, ang ganda. I mean, hindi naman nag-snow like, snowfall, but then may mga snow kasi above the mountain, kaya apakaganda. I'm so happy talaga. Like, I was, bumalik ako sa pagka 5 years old. But anyway guys, meron kasi ako mga hugasin dito na naiwan kagabi. Just only for the air fryer lang. Hugasan ko lang muna. Tsaka maglo-load ako ng laundry. Na yung coffee ko guys. Ginawa niya ako ng coffee. Never pa. Ay, gumawa ako ng coffee one time lang. Yung ako naiwan ako dito ba. Pero yan yung pangako niya talaga na siya talaga yung coffee maker ko. Haba ng hair. Isang load lang to guys. Tapos, mamaya kasi, ang oras kasi na alis namin is before 10. Yung brunch time na schedule is 10. So, ganito talaga guys. Super, talaga sila sa time and schedule. Walang Filipino time dito guys. Mag-e-edit pa din ako ng vlog as well. So, parang na ako nabalikin. Anyway, iwan lang naman to dito. There's no problem with that. Yun lang guys, iiwan ko lang yan dyan. And then, mag-edit ako ng video. Hindi kasi kami mag-breakfast. Tignan nyo yung tiramisu guys. Ito yung tira kagabi. Yung tiramisu na malaki, dadalhin namin doon sa sister niya. Guys, i-try namin yung banana. Children na. Magkano? Magkano? What's the taste of banana? Diba ba? Ito's the same. Same lang. Ready na kami guys. Ganito yung outfit ko guys. Oh! Tada! Check! Nag-outfit check talaga. Simple lang ako ngayon guys. Did you do grocery? You did what? You did water?
Today's Sunday.
Yeah, shop no open. No store open. Ito lang yung suot ko guys. Tapos mag-shoes lang ako. Wala pa lang. Ay naku. Wala kasi kami. Pero okay lang naman yung tap water. Doon lang siya ulit. Awan, kasi kanila day. Ako okay lang. Mag-ano ko day. Mag-shoes lang ako ba. Para madali lang ipasok. Tapos, ganito na yung outfit ko. Outfit check. Outfit check. Ang gulo naman ang hair ko, eh. Giat. I slapped the elevator.
You know, here is like a sensor that when you're just here, then they will. It will not close.
Papunta na kami sa kanyang sister, guys. Ang ganda ng way actually papunta sa kanyang sister kasi it's a countryside, so it's like a beautiful view there. Papakita ko yun sa inyo, guys. Kasi last time when we went there, gumawa kami ng cookies. Hindi ako nag-vlog that time. And yung weather today is okay lang, 7 degrees, malamig pa rin. Pero there's no sun. Hindi siya mainit, guys. Parati talaga kami dumadaan dito sa curve na to. Pag papunta na kami sa kanyang sister, mama, and the auntie. Kita nyo, guys. Para siyang ano, no, mga walang tao ba? As in, wala ka makikitang tao. Sunday kasi ngayon, Sunday, like, when Sunday here is people usually stay at home and rest. Kasi it's a rest day. So, wala ka talagang makikitang masyadong mga tao dito, guys. At ang tahimik. At, yeah. Kung may makikita ka mang mga tao, guys, yung mga nagwa-walking outside. Tsaka, alas 9 pa kasi din ng umaga. And like, pag Sunday, usually people, or weekend, usually people sleep so long. Matagal sila gumising pag Sunday kasi nga, trabaho sila ng trabaho, no? The whole week, trabaho sila ng trabaho, guys. And weekend is the rest day. That's why you don't see so much people in the road during Sunday. I think I just saw 3 people. No. 3 people and few cars driving around. Tahimik dito, guys. Oh. Look, the train. Huli na tayo sa train, guys. Yun, may nag-pass by na train. And next Sunday pala, guys, wala kami dito sa Switzerland. Punta kami ng France. And biyahe kami Saturday. 2 araw lang din naman kami kasi yeah, magdadrive sana kami, guys, pero parang hindi worth it ba na magdadrive kami ng malayo tapos ilang araw lang kami kasi yun lang yung free time niya kasi work siya, diba? And that is why we will go on a plane. Tada! Ang tahimik talaga, guys. Wala talaga ako nakikitang tao. May nakikita pa kayong tao, diba? Wala. Ayan, oh, mga cars, andyan lang. Dito naman, last time, may nakita kami dito, mga cows. Ayan, oh, yung mga bahay. Ang ganda siguro ng mga view nila doon, no? Parang nasa uphill sila ba? Ganito yung way namin dito, guys. Oh, pero dito, guys, hindi pwedeng mag-overtake. And may limit lang din yung pag-drive. Pag nasa parang town ka, it's only 50. Kaya mahina yung padaga namin kanina. Padaga. Ang lilis talaga dito, guys. Sinabi ko. Tinatanong ko ba paano na-maintain yung ganito? Wala. Disiplinado talaga yung mga tao. Ang ganda, diba? Pero, hindi yan bahay, guys. It's a farm. It's a farmhouse. It's a farm. Ang daming mga ano dito, guys. Ang daming baka talaga. Kaya na-amaze siya sa ating powdered milk. Kasi wala silang powdered milk dito kasi yung mga milk nila is always fresh from cows. Because there are so many cows here. Yun yung pinaka-specialty nila. Mga cheese, mga butter. nag-drive muna kami dito guys. Tingin-tingin kami dito kasi pinapakita niya yung dito siya nag-apprentice for gardening, babe. Gardening, and then there's a lot of really good plants in there, and they serve also like yung mga tao dito pag hindi nila ni-risk na alagaan yung mga plants nila during winter, so they put it there and the company will take care of it. Ang galing. Andito na kami guys. Hello! Ah, mama. Mama! Andito na din sila guys. Nauna sila. Probably when we didn't drive farther, we got here first. Or at the same time. Ito na kami guys. Aurelio is always so nice. He is so gentleman. He always opens the door for everyone. That would be fine. That would be fine.
Which one?
That. Go, babe. Wow. Hi guys. So tapos na pala kami guys. What time is it na babe? It's already 4 na guys. Ang tagal namin, from 10 AM kami doon. And yeah, we had fun. We play. As you can see naman, we had the brunch. Ang sarap ng mga she actually did have a lot no? Like a bread, cake.
Here I grew up.
Where?
In this
building?
Yeah, in this building. Like all the way to the top is
Diyan sila nagtumira before when they were young. Diyan yung ano nila, tirahan before. And for 16 years, right? Kaya medyo hindi dito yung way, pero we made a turn to see around. And yeah, his sister really did a lot of cooking, baking of bread. It was really good. And also like alam niyo yung mga jams, ang daming jams, cheese.
This is the retirement center where my grandmother is.
Was mommy?
Yeah.
So it's really just on the way, no?
Yeah.
She called earlier, right?
Yeah.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Ooh, my phone.
And like we have full electric bus all over the city in Winterthur. So this is
for the bus.
Yeah. Then they can connect with that, and then they can drive with electricity.
Tapos na kami kumain guys. Nag-ano lang kami, salad, tsaka yung fried rice. May fried rice pa na natira sa fridge. Nilagay ko lang sa fridge. Tsaka yung pork na parang burger stick ba. Ilalagay ko lang to sa dishwasher kasi pwede ko na silang isalang guys. Kasi medyo puno na ang ating dishwasher. So, usually dito ko lang siya nilalagay guys. Tapos otong lang dan. So makikita mo yung time dyan dahil i-handwash ko lang to dahil taglaman para makapagpahinga ng kaludan. Hindi lang ko nag-record sa mga pinagkagawa niya sa kusina kasi siya naman ang nagluluto. Manunood na naman kami ng anime guys bago matulog. And then, nalagay ko na din yung laundry sa dryer. So, okay na yun tomorrow. And yeah, that's it for the vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. And if you like my vlog, please don't forget to subscribe. And of course, hit the notification bell para lagi ko kayong ma-update sa aking mga new uploads. Thank you so much for watching guys. And ciao! Bye!